I'm Cathy Nabbefeld. I'm from Denver, Colorado, and I work at Colorado Academy as one of the college counselors there. I've been to St. John's a number of times over the years because I've been doing this position at Colorado Academy for 28 years. So I visited St. John's for different conferences and just college tours over the years. But this is my first time as a student. I'm taking the Marriage of Figaro class. It's fantastic. Yeah, it's like lose track of time good. It's such a, eclectic group of people who attend, such a wide range. There's folks who've been coming here for decades, it feels like, and then there are parents of students, and then there are young teachers. I was just thinking about the students I've sent to St. John's are really super duper intellectual sorts, and I thought, gosh, this is going to be intimidating, especially because I'm going in, taking a class on something that I know nothing about. But it's been remarkably easy and welcoming, honestly. I think the particular tutors we have in this class and the sort of ground rules that were set up from the beginning of sort of how the seminar works here. Just those basic things help to facilitate a good conversation.